For beginners, it's actually easier to get started with a heavy jump rope. This is because it's just hard to get your rhythm the faster the rope goes. With a heavy jump rope, you can move it as slowly as possible. With the 6-pound battle jump rope right here, as you can see, I'm going really slow. And then after that, I can just speed it right up. This is really important because you really gotta have good rhythm if you want to be good at jumping rope. If you want to try all of the fancy tricks you might see online, or even some of the easier ones, you gotta have good rhythm and good timing, and a weighted jump rope helps out with that a lot. One thing I can definitely tell you that weighted jump ropes do, it helps develop normally weak shoulders. Your shoulders are normally some of the weakest muscles you have in your body. If you jump rope, you'll notice that your shoulders are stronger and you're able to just do more. With the weighted jump rope, I found less of a need for a gym. It was the perfect thing to help me out, especially at the beginning of the pandemic when we weren't really going to the gym. It was great because I just needed to find a little bit of time and space to jump rope, and I was able to get a full body workout with my 6-pound battle jump rope. Later on, I got my 3-pounder so I can use it for more everyday usage, and having both of them really helped me out a lot. Now, if you're curious about the battle jump rope, you can check out the links I have below. Now, this is the most underrated thing that a weighted jump rope does, and most people don't even know about it. Weighted jump ropes help improve your grip strength. Now you're wondering, why is that important? Grip strength does everything from lessens your chances of getting arthritis, increases your endurance, and helps you be more resilient to injuries. There are a lot of things that grip strength are important for, and I can make an entire video about it. In fact, comment below if you're curious about grip strength and I'll make that video. But for time constraints, let's just say it's really important. It'll help you stay alive longer. One of the best things about weighted jump ropes is you don't have to wait long to see your results. If you're dedicated to the workout, you'll start seeing results quickly. How quickly? Check this video out right here, and it'll let you know exactly how much time you got to put into the workout in order to see results. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.